Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. If you have a kid like me, or if you're an adult like me who doesn't like zucchini, this recipe is for you. When I first saw this recipe, it had pork in it, so I thought, well, why not make the lean version of it and use chicken breast instead? But then I found out that the original recipe is purely veggie. It has only zucchini, different types of them. Since I don't quite like zucchini, I decided to try it with the meaty version and went on the lean version one. So I used a couple of small zucchinis instead, but you can use as many as you like and different sizes depending on your love for zucchini. So without further ado, let me show you how I made my calabacitas. So let's go. Here's what you need. Chop off half of the onion and the other half cut into quarters. First, cut the chicken to bite-sized pieces and place them in the pot. To that, add the garlic, half of the onion, 3 bay leaves, and a cup of water. Mix, cover, and let it cook properly. I almost forgot to add the salt. Once cooked, remove the liquids and everything but the chicken. Add the oil and let it fry for a bit, uncovered. I covered mine so it didn't quite fry. Now it's time to add the chopped onion, the zucchini, tomato sauce, and either half a cup of water or chicken broth and mix it well. Next, add the oregano, corn, and cilantro. Taste and season it accordingly. I've added some curry powder and hot paprika to mine. Bring it to a simmer and serve it hot, as is or with some rice. I was actually so hungry recording this, I forgot to shoot myself eat it. So let me know in the comments below that you forgive me. And if you've made this version or the veggie one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.